Hi everybody. Today I'm going to share with you guys about orders, how to trade the market using the different kind of options available. Okay, you can do manual execution in which you will get your orders at prevailing market price, or you can do limit order, or you can do stop orders. My favorite is using limit orders. Okay, but at times I do use manual entry as well. Okay, it depends on the momentum. If the momentum is strong, then I might do a manual entry. Okay, and then buy stop, I seldom do buy stop orders. I seldom do stop orders because stop orders is for breakouts. Okay, and usually breakouts can result in a false break. So I usually very little, very minimize. I very minimize buy stop order nearly to zero. Because there are some of the viewers that are new in trading, right? They are not really sure about the different kind of orders to enter the market. Alright, when they open their see they buy limit, sell limit. For some of you are already aware about limit orders and how to use them. Okay, but you have to show. I mean, this is a live demonstration. I mean, this is the simulated to give you an example. Okay, give you an example about how limit orders are done. Okay, so we see that this is the H4 and then this is the simulator. So in this case, this is the 2010 price for pound USD. Okay, so we see that price is in uptrend, right? You can see very clear right now, price is in uptrend. Right, price is in uptrend. Why price is in uptrend? Because we can see that there's no lower low. We can see that price is rejecting demand and pushing higher, right? You can see this push. Okay, and then that push, this is the last demand here. Okay, and then price went down here to make it to become a higher low, and then price make a base, and then there's a push again, and then this is where we make it a base. And we can see here then there's an inside bar force break here, and then inside bar force break, and then price goes up. So when you see the inside bar force break, if you do a manual entry here, your stop loss below here, then you are in. Alright, that is how you can do manual order. But I'm going to demonstrate in this case. Okay, so we see now price is in the uptrend. Price has already pushed up, so we do not want to get at this price when price is high. If in this case we want to look for a pullback back to this area of, there's an inside bar here, inside bar force break. So this would be a good area for us to look for a buy. And then I will mark my zone here. Okay, so we can see right now inside bar force break right now. Price already moved up, so we do not want to have fear of missing out and catch this. So we want to wait until price came back into a value area for us to look for a buy. So we want to see what happens when it comes down here. Okay, if there is a bearish candle, we want to wait and see what happens first. Okay, so in this case, let's begin. And this is H4. Usually I don't trade single time frame. I try to look from daily and weekly as well, and the monthly. But this is just for demonstration purposes of how you can take a different kind of orders. Let's see. Okay, when price moving up, I'm not interested. Price go down, I'm interested. Okay, in this case, price go down, right? Can we take a buy here? Still no, because it's still a bit too high. It's better to take a buy when price pushes down here. That is where retail are looking for sell, but we are looking for a buy. Push again. Okay, now we can see. So now you see your buy is not going to materialize. So can we sell right now? No, because the inside bar is always an inside bar breakout, right? In this case, right, when an inside bar breakout usually indicates direction of where you want to go. So in this case, right, price is still pushing towards the upside, so we want to be buyers still. at this moment. Okay, and then now we can see that right now there's a strong push towards the downside, right? In this case, there is strong sellers momentum. So can we buy now? Usually no. Okay, because we can see bearish pressure pushing towards the market for nearly 1 2 3 H4 candle, so not really at the point. Even if you go down, even if it will go up, right, you just go up for a while, after that it will still come down. We want to wait for what happens exactly at the zone. We want to see if there's buyers pushing the price up and a good price action signal for us to look for the buy. Let's see again. Okay, so now at this scan, based on this close, right, it's a weak buy momentum, so we still cannot enter the buy. But can we enter a sell? No, because the structure is still towards the upside and price is still within this inside bar. There's no inside bar breakout. Don't look at the running candle. Okay, so we can see a price weak rejection right now. Rejection of, so in this case, this rejection is at the demand zone here, and it's a rejection of this inside bar. Right, this injection is a inside bar force break, so we can take the low of this rejection, which is around 1.62095. so if I want to take a buy, right, I want to do my stop loss around 1.62095 050, I would say. Give your trade room to breathe. So let's wait for the outcome of this close candle. If this close candle continue to go down, then most probably our buy order is not going to materialize. Alright, but don't assume, let's just wait. So just put a buy limit, fix, what is this lot size here, 0.10, price, stop loss is fixed price, take profit is fixed price. Okay, so let's see what is the close of this candle. This close of, based on this price action, what you can see that sellers pushing the market down. Okay, the buyers try to push the market down, buyers try to push the market up but fail, and then the sellers push the market down. So while it's open here, because of this sellers pushing the market down, it does continue here, but as the sellers are pushing the market down, we can see now buyers are looking to push the price up, and it's a force break of this inside bar. So at this point, okay, so now we can see right now, so 1.62630 would be a good one. $1.62630, 1.62050, take profit 1.63700, place order. Oh, sorry. Oh, price have gone in. So in this scenario, right, I will probably can do a buy stop at this inside bar here at 1.6271,700. Buy stop 1.62700, stop loss 1.62050, take profit 1.62800. Okay, so I put a buy stop here. So buy stop, if price go up, it will activate my buy order. Okay, so this is a buy stop. Because I do not want to chase the price. So in this case, I rather, by the time price reach here, there's momentum to push the market up already. I will explain about strategies and then my process when the time is there. Today is just more about showing about the different kind of orders that you can make when you see the market. Okay, but of course what kind of orders is up to you, whether you want to buy or sell. It all depends on your analysis or how you analyze the market. Okay, so I'm going to take this away. Okay, so you look at the structure, the market is still towards the upside, and this whole thing is still a base. So if in the supply and demand, it could be a rally, base, rally. Okay, it could still be a rally, base, rally. So my buy have been activated. So inside bar false break, so I get in on this inside bar buy stop. I anticipating that price to get out of this inside bar and out of this mother bar to go towards a inside bar breakout towards the top side. So let's see what happens. I could not see my money. It's okay, this is just a demonstration. The simulator is a good way for you to practice your strategy. Okay, so price go up. Okay, so price have reached my TP point. Alright, so in this case, it does came out of this inside bar, mother bar, false break of this mother bar here, and then breakout of this mother bar, and now become an inside bar breakout. Then we see another inside bar, and now most probably inside bar breakout. But as it goes up and up and up, right, be careful of taking any buys, okay? Because price might not. Usually after price go up and come down and go up like that, right? So this thing is probably no use because it's going to get violated. Price is going to break down here. Usually. Because the buy orders taken already. So in this case, demand cleared. Okay, so once demand cleared, right, the next thing that price might do is to break this demand, and most probably break this demand. So in this case, should there be a sell order, we might want to take. Okay, so now we can see this is quite a good setup for us to look for a sell. So let's try to look for a sell in this case. Where can we sell? I will put here to my supply zone, the last bullish candle, and then price push down. Set my supply zone here 1.64051 and 1.64568. Sell limit 1.64040, I would say. Okay, and then stop loss 1.64580. Okay, give some room to breathe. Take profit at back to the demand 1.62550. Okay, so we can see. So don't chase the price. Okay, don't chase the price. Okay, my rationale for this sell is that most probably it's going to be an inside bar fakey in this case. So price going to take this and then go down. Okay, because of this strong push by the sellers trying to push the market down. Okay, and engulfing, and this is a bearish engulfing after a push. So usually engulfing that comes after a push, right, is quite a good price action signal for us to take. Let's see what happens. Okay, price never hit. Okay, but hits my take profit in this case. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Okay, since now the price already went way ahead, right? Sell, close. Okay, so now the price went down. So now we see now what happens right now. So price is now changing from a, so I say right, after price go up and take, right, it will break this and then break this here as it breaks here. So now price go up here and push down and here, right? Okay, so if there is a push up, right, it's going to take down this and this here. But for now, there's a trending move towards the downside in this case. Okay, this trending move towards the downside. So if I want to look for a sell, it's not here. If I want to look for a sell, it's got to be here. So let's see what happens. See whether if price came back to that zone or not. Okay, so price does not come back here. So now price have continued to go down based on this supply here. So it's a very base drop. Okay, so for instance, okay, just now I show you do buy stop, right, and sell limit, but sell limit never get activated. Okay, so for instance, in this case, right, I'm going to give you an example. Okay, if you think that market is going to go up, you can press buy and then stop loss at 1.55400. Okay, that is where if you take a manual here, stop loss at 1.55400. This is where you put manual. Okay, but manual you always get the market prevailing price. Usually the best is to wait for, I mean, to get a lower price, I mean, rather than sell buy when it's bullish. Just put at 50 pips, 60. Okay, then that is where your buy order activated when you put a manual. Okay, so that is the activation. But the rationale for my buy, right, is actually because of this weak sell momentum. So when I see this, I know price might probably go up. Alright, so that's, I demonstrated to you about limit bar, limit, no, I haven't, because I haven't activated, right? Okay, so like in this case, right, limit buy, let's just say you feel that price might come down first before go up. Okay, you think that price might come down first before go up, so you can just set your limit order. So 1.56600, right? So let's just assume 1.56620, then stop loss, fixed price 1.56 or 55400. This is just demonstration, doesn't mean that you must, because your stop loss very far. Take profit, tips, just put it. Okay, so this is my limit buy order. Price came down here, we activate. TP is too near. I change. TP. No. Okay, that's about it. So let's see what happens. Okay, so you see my buy order has been activated, right? Okay, so that's how a limit order is taken. So how buy order is taken, how sell order is taken, and that's it. That's the gist of it, of how you take the market orders and how you do the market orders when you trade. Okay, so it depends on the scenarios, and then what kind of price action do you see, whether you want to take a buy or sell, whether you want to wait for price to come down first before pushing up, or price to go up first before pushing down, then you will take a limit order. But if you want to take a breakout, it will be a stop order. That if you think that the closing price has a lot of momentum, then you could do manual order. But then in all the orders, right, you must have a stop loss. Okay, never trade without a stop loss. That will be the biggest mistake that you will ever make. Okay, seriously, you must have a stop loss. Okay, if it hits your stop loss, it's not about the brokers hunting your stop loss, the market hunting stop loss. It's just that your entry is not at the right time or at the right level in this case. Okay, but you must have a stop loss. Okay, that's it for me. So I'll see you in my next video, and I'll try to share a bit more about my process and all that. Just have your simulator to you know, practice your strategies every now and then, get sharper, and inshallah you God willing, I mean, it will come in handy one day. Alright, cheers guys.